Hello everyone, my name is Shannon Jayapal and I would like to talk to you today about the social justice issue involving the LGBTQ plus population and their struggle for equal rights. This community has been in a very public battle for equal access to health care, equal legal protections, and protections from discrimination regarding housing and employment, equal marital rights, and equal representation in the public. These aren't special rights, just the same rights as any heterosexual or cisgender human enjoys, and it's a fundamental human right to be seen, heard, and valued as an equal member of society. Though the LGBTQ plus equal rights have been discussed a lot in recent decades, recent polls from the United Nations member states show that only 18% recognize same-sex unions, 22% criminalize it, and only 30% of all UN member states have protections in general for the general community. We have a long way to go. Through education, open dialogue, and advocacy, we can move forward to a better, more well-rounded community. My hypothesis regarding this approach to change is if people receive a pro-social education about and exposure to the LGBTQ population, they will show more sympathy and empathy with reduced discrimination levels, while people that don't receive that education or exposure will remain in their schemas. Research through the minority stress model shows the effects of the pressure and strain from the discrimination and violence toward this community. It has predictable poor outcomes for their mental and physical well-being. Studies shown that actual biophysiological changes occur within the brain, changing the neurological pathways of LGBTQ plus victims due to this treatment. Introducing education, ethical frameworks, and advocacy reduces the fear of this community and opens doors to litigation. The life course theory demonstrates that changes in laws through the socio-historical timelines have been shown to make a solid difference for all. For instance, qualitative research shows that with the recognition of marital rights for the LGBTQ plus by the Supreme Court in the United States, this had an incredible effect in that it reduced the stigma felt by and displayed by outside communities. By legitimizing this community to other citizens, this law created a safe place for their freedom to exist. The stigma toward the community reduced because of the laws protecting them, which in turn reduces the tension felt by the community. Was it all perfect after? No, but a sign that laws have a powerful effect. Knowledge is power, and by knocking down myths and stigmas with education and understanding of our fellow human beings, we will come to understand that diversity is a superpower that will feed us and make our community stronger. Thank you, and happy Pride Month!